During his speech at the Babu Hajom Kissor Singh Memorial Lecture in Shillong on the 4th of November 2023, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma stressed the importance of collective efforts to promote Khasi and Garo languages and cultures. He mentioned the ongoing initiatives to officially recognize these languages and emphasized the significance of documenting culture and language. He added that the state government will support research and writing in this area, and at the same time, funds will also be allocated for filmmakers creating content that showcases the local culture and language of the state. Additionally, an orientation program on language will be implemented for members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Sangma expressed the aim of fostering mutual understanding among leaders, and local languages will become mandatory subjects for exams in the state. The commitment to language promotion remains strong regardless of official recognition, added the Meghalaya Chief Minister.
Babu, Hajom, Kissor, Shillong,
of wanting Khasi language and Garo language to be put in the 8th schedule is a issue that we have taken up at a different level now, where a resolution has been passed by the Assembly which was not done in the earlier times, and continuously more than 4 to 5 memorandums have been submitted to the central government, and I want to give you that assurance that we will continue to push and ensure that we don't leave any stone unturned in terms of ensuring that our languages are also put in the 8th schedule. But while that is going on, I think what is important is for us to be able to also look at what we can do as a society, what we can do as educationists, what we can do as academicians and as a government in terms of promoting our own culture and our own language.